Candy Crush player, time don reach for us to make money for crypto playing Candy Crush.
You are a liar. You are a liar.
You no believe me? Watch this video to the end to see how play Candy Crush fit make you money for the crypto space.
Let's start what we have come into the room to do.
I know say you don hear of tap tap tap. You see as people make money for Notcoin for just tapping their phone.
Tap tap tap. Money gone.
Now another one don come out again wey be say you fit dey play games for Telegram and you go make money.
I told my father I'm not going to be poor like him. Never.
Guess what? The former general manager of Candy Crush invest for this project called Yum Party. Na im dey on top the screen. This game, wetin you just need to do na say you go click the link wey I drop under. If you click that link, e go take you to Telegram. So if you no click that link, you no go get this 5,000 coin bonus. But if you click am, you go get 5,000 coin bonus. Once you enter, you go dey play this game just like the way you dey tap 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 boko lofa. From that tap tap, some people collect $100, $50, even $500, and people wey sabi do wey get like 5 account, Telegram accounts, then get more than that.
You don't know about it. When you know, you be know about it.
No worry, many updates still dey wey I dey bring for you. If you want more updates, comment PG Nation and stay tuned for the next updates.